Transportation plays a critical role on the economy today. If you look at transport company and logistics company, their key business or critical business operation is to move goods from point A to point B. Some of the challenges that a driver might face on transit include a truck might break down, an accident might occur, there might be a fault with the truck. How does the driver get to communicate back to his logistic manager in a clear way and concise way, either through a professional email explaining what is happening? Wouldn't it be easier for the driver to access some critical application based at the headquarters so that if there's something he could figure out and sort and continue moving these goods from point A to point B would be of value to this particular driver? As the internet solution, we've come up with a solution that addresses these challenges, which is innovative and a smarter way of doing things. We have come up with an APN solution. What APN stands for is an access point node, access to critical information or services that are hosted back at his headquarters, and is able to solve a problem, one or two, within the particular truck, or is able to communicate back to his logistics manager and explain what is happening as he transits from point A to point B. That is done through either an email or access to a certain application or access to certain services that are hosted at the headquarters. This is achieved through a SIM card that we have partnered with a GSM provider. The SIM card is marked with a private IP address, and we are able to plug into the transportation company one infrastructure. And through that infrastructure, if the driver is on transit, is able to send information and data back to his head office of whatever is happening on the ground, because he's the guy on the move. One of the key benefits of APN, a truck driver can in real time access critical information and data while he's on the go. For example, if today a truck driver, while he's on the move, wanted to view his payslip, and his payslip is hosted at an application hosted by the headquarters, where he sits at the headquarters, wouldn't it be easy for the truck driver through his mobile device have access to the critical application and access his payslip through this infrastructure that we've built? Another key advantage is the fact that the management can monitor all activities happening while on transit, while goods are being transported from point A to point B. Another way we would look at the application of access point node. For example, if an engineer is on site, he has realized whatever problem you're solving, he'll require more information or more data in order to solve this particular problem. Does the engineer run back to the office and then go back to the site? No. APN solves this kind of problem by easily having a tool or a mobile device that has the specific SIM card with a private IP address that the engineer can use as a platform to communicate back to the head office and access this particular information that he wants to use to solve this particular problem that is on site. To sum it up, internet solutions tailor-make specific solutions which solves specific problems and addresses everyone within the industry. Us as a company, how do we provide that infrastructure for our engineers to be on the ground and solve different kind of problems and be able to communicate that feedback to the head office, either through pushing information or extracting information from HQ. And that is the perception or the view we have while customizing or tailor-making solutions to our clients.